Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in this video I just want to show you the profits that we made this morning. And today we used our currency strength meter, which is powered by artificial intelligence. And the great thing about this indicator is that instead of you having to struggle to select a suitable currency pair from the 28 different pairs available, this indicator will highlight the currency pairs that are currently trending, which will maximize your potential for profits. And so it ranks the currencies from the strongest to weakest in this section here, with number 1 being the strongest all the way down to number 8 being the weakest. And this section right here is the neural network that employs machine learning to actively process data and determine the best currency pairs to trade. And you can see at this section that the algorithm assigns values of 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the recommended currency pairs. And just one thing to keep in mind is that some brokers may use different prefixes or suffixes along with their currency pairs, while some may not use any at all. So it's just important to confirm to see if your broker uses any. And if your broker does use a prefix or a suffix, then you can go to the properties section and enter the values in these sections right here. But if not, then you can leave the sections blank. And it also has an alert feature which sends you an alert whenever a new currency pair becomes the top ranked pair to trade. And you can turn the alerts off by putting the value at 0, or you can turn it on by putting the value at 1. And here you can see the alerts. And so at the time of taking our trades this morning, CAD-JPY was one of the top recommended currency pairs. And here's the trade that we took. And let me just show you the profits that we made this morning. And so here are the individual profits, and we made a total of $114.44. And so to get our currency strength indicator, you can click on the link in the description below. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.